Hi and welcome. Now we will see how can we create client libraries. What is client library? Client library is nothing but where we will put our CSS or our JavaScript. So that container itself is a client library. Okay. So how can we create a client library? So wherever you want to create a client library, for example, at this location I want to create a new client library in which I will put my custom JavaScript or maybe custom CSS. I will right click, I will select create node, give some name. So this is my client. Okay, type will be CQ client library folder. Okay, now I need to create one file called css.txt. Basically there are existing files as well, we can refer them similar way. Okay, and I can create maybe a js.txt. Okay, I will create my first js file. I can write anything, for example I'm just writing alert here. And I need to do this entry in js.txt. Similar way I can create my css file. And I can do entry, and the same entry will go here. Okay, now how can we include this client library to the component? Now there is a use API. I'll just copy paste it. I will explain what is the purpose of this. This is my component I just created, and I will include it. Okay, yeah, one thing to add here is there is one property called category which will actually define what is the name of your client library. So I will just add this property, and I will give the name as my custom client. So this is my client library name. Okay, and I want to include it. What I need to do, this is the category name, same name. Okay, if I just want to include CSS, I can give CSS. It will only include CSS irrespective there are multiple JS files. If I want to include only JS, I will just give JS. If I want to include everything, means CSS as well as JS, I will say all. So that's it. So whenever we invoke any page which is having this component, since we have included the client library as categories, the new my custom client lib, this new client library will be invoked. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.